meow. So cute. Why so strong? What's your name? You see you? Who is that? Who is that? There. Who is that? Is it you? It's you, right? Hey, are you handsome? Handsome or not? Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. One hả? Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. This one restaurant Raja Laut. This one her house. The very 20 years old. This one restaurant. Why? Location. This one Raja Laut. Jalan Raja Laut. The name on same.
What are you selling?
Saya?
What are you selling? What food you have?
This one morning this dosa, roti, idli, Maggi, mee. That's it. Rice, nasi campur, curry house. Thank you. This one coconut, 5 ringgit only. Right. This one chicken, 450 only. One chicken, 450. This one 5 ringgit. One spoon. One spoon, 150 only. This one 150, one spoon. 1 person. This one puri, 2 ringgit. 2 ringgit only. That's why. This one fish. This name is ikan tinggiri. Malaysian ikan tinggiri. Very nice. This one Priya Goreng. Priya Goreng. Petola this. This one Petola Goreng. Evening the roti naan, tandoori chicken, chapati, all kind.
Okay, this is roti banjir. So they will cut it into the small pieces like this. Okay. Like this, then sauce. Oh, what is that?
Dal.
Dal. Okay, dal.
Sambal.
Yes. Can we have a half-boiled eggs on the top?
Not this one, half boiled egg.
Boiled.
Boiled.
Yes.
This one no.
No, half-boiled eggs. Toast. Roti bangka. Do you have roti bangka?
Roti bakar.
Okay, we have one.
Roti butter, only butter. No kaya.
No kaya. Yeah. This is roti banjir special. Everyone, thank you so much for watching my video, and that's it for this episode, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, so please like, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel for support me, and also follow my social media on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you so much. Bye. See ya. This is Eva Pudi. Bye bye.